In recognition of his distinguished service and unwavering support of the Philippine Professional Organization, Western Region, Saudi Arabia, PPOWRSA. Your dedication to fostering collaboration between the Philippine Consulate and PPOWRSA has been instrumental in our organization's positive outcomes. Given this 21st day of February 2025 at Havana Villa of Bur, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed by Architect Jean Marlo A. Luis, 2025 PPOWRSA President. Signed with Ma'am Sandra S. Bonayon RN, 2025 PPOWRSA Vice President. And signed by Rebel Sweet D. Gomez, RTRP 2025 PPOWRSA Secretary.
Past President Jerry, sama ka. Yes po.
Dito lang daw tayo para may ano.